Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with clear space and the right drivers, T8 and T6 plus a plastic pry tool. Remove the battery pack and the small rubber cover over the sync button. There are 2 screws under it. Take them out. Once done, insert a pry tool at the rear seam and work clockwise, releasing clips incrementally so you don't crack the plastic. You want gradual pressure, rapid force transfers to fragile tabs. Make sure to keep screws organized by size, so reassembly is straightforward. Once the rear shell is loose, hinge it open and expose the PCB. You'll see ribbon cables to the front shell and the trigger flex. Unscrew the PCB fasteners with the correct driver and gently unplug ribbon connectors by lifting their latch. This prevents bent pins. For thumbsticks, remove the small C-clips or retaining rings and lift the module straight up. This preserves the gears. Take photos if you need reference. That helps when matching screw lengths and reorienting small springs and clips. When reassembling, make sure each cable is fully seated and latches are closed. Lightly lubricate the plastic gears to prevent binding, but avoid oil on potentiometer contacts. Replace PCB screws in their original holes and lower the front shell onto the rear, pressing clips until you hear them click. Once the battery is back in, power on and test every button, trigger, and analog stick. If you see stick drift, power down, open it. Clean the pot with isopropyl and verify ribbon connectors. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.